Another journal that I've made, and this journal is a botanical themed journal, but it's blank and it's for sale on in my shop. It's a hardcover and it's quite chunky. It has 192 pages. There's 2 signatures. It measures 8 by 5. It has a 2-inch spine, and it's a recycled box of some sort. I think it might be a cereal box or something, but if you've watched my videos on how I make them, I cut them all up, the covers, then I cover them in cardstock. I use Tyvek in them. I've covered it in this wallpaper so it's nice and sturdy. I've used some hessian here. This is just some like a vintage piece of paper. It's a printable, and I've backed that onto some cardstock. Then this image here is from Vectoria Designs, and that's the main papers that I've used in this, and that's been sewn onto some tea or coffee dyed paper, and I've just done some inking around the edges. We've got multiple tabs on this side, and this could last you quite a while, so this will be a quick flip through, because obviously there's no pockets. It's like a bare blank journal. So that's the papers I've used to decorate the inside, and on that side there you can see it's nice and chunky. So let's flip. So there's lots of different papers. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is from the old design shop. Am I in frame? I've kind of moved things around in here today and had a bit of a clean up. The places are disasters on. I really needed to spend a good couple of days and clear the whole place out. I'm just so disorganized again. I've put on some like crocheted fabric tabs, some cardstock tabs as well. These pages are tea dyed and they're very light, but these they're slightly darker, not much. I think they're coffee dyed. So there's a mixture of coffee and tea dyed papers. Some music paper, some inventory paper, more of the crocheted fabric tabs. There's edge punching. There's lined paper. I just love the noise of the paper. Some Edith Holden. So I've actually got another 2 journals on the go. I was going to try and finish them tonight. Again, they're just going to be hardcover, kind of chunky blank journals. One is a bee themed one, and the other is an autumn themed one. Sometimes you just get kind of fed up doing the same old thing, so I do like to stop and just make some blank journals. I'm actually quite enjoying just listening to this myself. I love listening to like ASMR videos and like water and crinkling noises and flip throughs of magazines, and so I love the noise. I think it's so relaxing. I know some people don't like that, but I find I do get triggered by it, so I do like to listen to paper just like that. So there we have it. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop. It's nothing fancy. It's just a plain hard-covered chunky journal in a botanical theme. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.